Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your age at your TikTok accounts. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, go to your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Again, tap at three horizontal lines. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now page my screen, you can see, tap at very first option, account. Now page my screen, you can see, again tap at the very first option, user information. A page my screen, you can see a second last option from the bottom, date of birth. Simply tap it here. Now page my screen, you can see, you can change your date of birth as per required and simply tap at confirmed. And like this, you can easily change your date of birth at your TikTok accounts. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it, share it, and finally don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.